Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today is tea tree oil from Hiqili. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second. But first, some things you need to know about it. First, it comes in this really great bottle, and it has a lot of information on the back, and it's 10 milliliters, so that's about 180 drops. So it's going to be a lot of essential oil. It's going to last you quite a long time, even though it's in this small little bottle. Um, and yeah, it just looks great, feels great, and it smells great. So tea tree is one of my favorite oils, guys. It just smells like sweet, but also a little bit musky. And what it's good for is it's good for soothing and rejuvenating effects on the skin. And it's just, you don't want to dilute this with the right amount of dilutions, of course, and follow the directions. But guys, this thing is awesome. And my favorite thing about it, guys, just has to be the scent. It just smells great, and it's just one of those oils where as soon as you smell it, you know what it is. And I highly recommend this product, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.